Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the receiver's name in Western Union in 2026 step by step and what to do if editing isn't allowed. Let's get started. First, can you edit the receiver name? Here's the truth. You can only edit the receiver's name if the money has not been picked up yet. If the status is available for pickup, you can still fix it. Completed, too late. Money already collected. Step 1, find the MTCN or find your MTCN number. Your MTCN or money transfer control number is required. You can find it in your receipt in your email confirmation. Keep this ready before making any changes. Step 2, hit track transfer. Right? So go ahead to the westernunion.com and click track a transfer and enter your MTCN. Confirm the transfer is still editable. And try editing online. If you send money online, log in to Western Union, go to transfer history and select your transaction. Look for an option like edit receiver details, update transfer. Note, this option is not always available for all countries or transfers. Step 4, contact customer support. Most reliable. If you don't see edit option, contact Western Union support immediately. Provide MTCN, your name, correct receiver name. They can update it manually in many cases. Step 5, visit an agent location if sent in person. If you made the transfer at physical location, go back to a Western Union agent. Bring your ID, receipt, request name correction. Staff will assist you. Important rules here for name changes. Name must match receiver's ID exactly. Major name changes may require cancellation. Some countries don't allow edits. Small corrections like spelling errors are easier basically. If you cannot edit the name, then you must option 1 cancel the transfer, cancel using MTCN, get a refund. Option 2 resend money, send again with correct details. So the refund process, if you cancel, for card payment 3 to 10 business days. For bank transfers, a few days. For cash, you can collect at agent. Fees may not always be refunded. So avoid misspelling receiver's name, right? Using nickname instead of legal name, waiting too long to fix, or sending without double checking. So the pro tip here for 2026, always copy name exactly from ID. Double check before sending. Send small test amount first. Keep MTCN safe and act fast if there is an error. Alright? So just to rewind once again, get MTCN, check status, try editing in Western Union online, contact support if needed, cancel if not editable. Done. So editing the receiver's name in Western Union in 2026 is possible, but only if you act quickly before the money is picked up. Focus on speed, accuracy, using support when needed, right? So important thing, right? Name must match receiver's ID exactly next time you're trying to send money. Major name changes may require cancellation. Some countries don't allow edits. So check if your country is eligible or if your country allows that, right? If you send money via like in person, then you need to visit an agent location. You can just go ahead and type Western Union location and the GPS will show you the closest place, right, to a Western Union. Bring your ID and receipt and request name correction. The staff will assist you in that, right? So yeah, all you gotta do is bring your ID and the MTCN, receipt, and request name correction. Make sure you have the MTCN, your name, and correct receiver name if you're using customer support. So you could just type Western Union support contact. You can contact them via phone or national number here, right? Or their email. So use their email basically to contact them, right? And tell them exactly what you want to fix. right? I have a problem. And you explain in detail, this is my MTCN, right? My name, the name in question of the receiver, for example, right? And you can fill in the details. If you want more verification, you can add ID, receipt, request name correction. Okay, so make sure in the last part, when you fill in the name, the ID, and everything, that you request name correction, right? If you don't put in that information exactly, then your email might be ignored. So possibly might be ignored. So make sure you request name correction, right? And basically that's it. That's how you fix mistakes without losing money. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.